December 23rd, 2015, Ellington, Connecticut. Connie DeBate was getting ready for work. Her husband, Richard DeBate, said an intruder broke in, tied him up, and shot Connie. He claimed he barely escaped with his life, but detectives had doubts. The story sounded too perfect, too staged. Then, one sound changed everything. They checked Connie's Fitbit. The smartwatch was still syncing data after the time Richard said she was already dead. According to him, Connie was killed at 9:05 a.m., but her Fitbit showed she was walking, even moving around the house, until 10:11 a.m. That one digital footstep destroyed his timeline. The evidence didn't stop there. Cameras showed Connie at the gym earlier that morning. She sent texts, logged into Facebook, did everything a living person does. Long after Richard claimed she was gone, police dug deeper. They found Richard was having an affair. His mistress was pregnant, and he had just taken out a massive life insurance policy on Connie. He was arrested for murder, all because of one small sound, the digital ping of a fitness tracker. In court, he claimed it was all coincidence, that someone else killed his wife, but the data didn't lie. In 2022, Richard DeBate was convicted of murder. Connie's last movements, recorded by a simple device on her wrist, told the story she couldn't. This wasn't just about tech. It was about truth, and how one sound cracked a killer's lie wide open.